Artificial intelligence is here to stay. AI is revolutionizing the way that the world is used, whether this is making art using artificial intelligence, using it to cheat on an essay paper, or using it for actual work to make your time more efficient. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere, but crypto artificial intelligence has taken a beating lately. Some of these projects are down 60, 70, 80%, but we see NVIDIA in the stock market is still holding pretty strong, only about $20 down from the previous all-time high. Guys, in this video, I want to go over the 5 best AI projects that I am eyeing during these market turndowns. One that I want to be buying when everyone else is fearful. Like Warren Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy, guys. Some of these are on their own blockchain. Some of them are layer 2s on Ethereum. It's going to go everywhere from big caps to very small cap AI projects that I believe have a lot of room for return, guys. It's going to be a great video. We're going to get into everything artificial intelligence and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I am truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you are not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video. The number one that I want to talk about is Render, guys. It's ranked around 38th in overall market cap. Distributed GPU render network. This is where people could essentially use their idle GPUs on their computer, such as I have right here, and lend it out and be paid for it. When we look at where Render is coming in right now, it's coming in at 38th in overall market cap per coinmarketcap.com, guys. It's at 33 million in volume, and I like to look at this because I would say this is underperforming right now. Whenever you're at 38th in market cap but almost 100 in overall volume, so I want to continue to look at that very closely. But if we look, AI had a huge run from the price we are now. Essentially, it ran up from February 5th, ran up to over $12 within about a month time frame, guys. So it's very a quick mover, but this one is pretty high in market cap, but it is a fan favorite, and it really did solidify itself to me as the number one artificial intelligence only project with render and GPU. But there's much other ways to use artificial intelligence. And number two, what I want to get into is Bittensor TAO. This one has tokenomics very similar to Bitcoin with a 21 million maximum supply. This is all about artificial intelligence, not GPU rendering so much, but as it says down here at the bottom, Bittensor is pioneering the decentralized production of AI. And when we look, you can see right here, 21 million TAO with 7.3 million in circulation. And when you look at this, this one's performing a little better. It's ranked at 43rd overall at $1.7 billion with a volume of 72 right now. And I think one reason the volume is lacking is because being a newer layer 1, it's harder for people to implement this into their platform where people could buy it. But one place that it can be bought at is right here on Caleb and Brown, the official brokerage of Freeman Finance and Crypto, guys. They are a personalized service with over 300 crypto assets right now, over 30,000 valued clients, and the coverage is global. There's a few places they may not be able to support, but the odds are they are in a place next to you. And like I said, this is a personalized service. I really want to show the team, guys. Look at all the leadership. This is something that you can literally pick up your phone and call your broker. I have my broker's Jake's direct line. I can call him, hey, what do you think's happening in the market right now? Everything's going down. I'm not as knowledgeable as you, Jake. Help me out. What do you think about TAO? Could we place a limit order on this? It's a personalized service. 24/7 support. This is not automated responses. In fact, this is Jake right here. And when you look at it, they have a huge team of different brokers, asset management. Like, this is a real deal platform, guys. This is not a fly-by-night exchange that's here one day, gone the next. They've got a massive team, operations team, guys. This is a real good platform, and I honestly would not put my name behind them if I did not think they were the top of the leaderboard when it comes to brokerages or any means to buy crypto, guys. So there will be a Freeman Finance promotional link down below. Check them out. It's completely free to sign up. Talk to a broker. See if y'all have a relationship before you use them. You know, it's completely free, no downside, and it really helps the channel, guys. I appreciate it. But that is good whenever it's really hard to find Bittensor TAO because it is a layer one. And you can see it is down from about 750 USD down here to 238. So is it forming a type of double bottom here? I don't know. You could also call a little double localized top here at 350 that already broke down. So we've got to wait and see. But I know one thing that has always done me right in crypto is buying when others are fearful, guys. And sure, it could go down. As always, none of this is ever financial advice. I'm just got slightly a degen and loves a finance. So of course it could all go to zero. But just from my past experience, when the fear and greed gets to where it is now, underneath 30, it often reverses. And whenever you look at the daily on the RSI, when it's this low, it often reverses, guys. But getting into the next artificial intelligence is the everything blockchain, the internet computer. I know this one is a lot of mixed opinions on it. A lot of people think it's a rug, and it's such a complex project that I really recommend everyone going up here and going to explore dApps and just get lost in the ICP ecosystem. It's extremely cheap or free to do so with the reverse gas fee model. I have plenty of videos about the internet computer, but when we look at it, it is also down when you see around the same time, and this normally lags a little bit behind the other artificial intelligence project, but it hit a high of almost $20, and it's now down here, right here, consolidating around this $7 to $8 range. When you look at it, this is the largest one on the list, and the reason I didn't call it the largest AI only project is it's not only AI. They do everything artificial intelligence on chain, but they're sitting at $3.4 billion market cap with the overall volume of 76th in overall market cap. The internet computer, go get lost in their system, guys. It's extremely, extremely fun. These next two that I want to talk about are lower cap, over 200 in market cap. So they're smaller. It could be potentially more returns, but it's also potentially even more risky. And the first one I want to talk about is ABT Arcblock, guys. This is a tool to make building dApps easier. As you can see, a total solution for building decentralized platforms. And like I said in the previous video, they have this creator studio coming up that I'm very, very excited to try. I actually have a meeting scheduled with Robert Mao, who is the founder and CEO of it, to show me what they have going on with the creator studio. And I'm actually going to pilot it for them for free. We're not partnered or anything like that. But when you look at this, they're ranked 231st in overall market cap at $170 million. You can see the next smallest on this list is Bittensor TAO, which is 10x the size of Arcblock. So that lets you know the type of multiples that could potentially come. This is a layer 2 built on Ethereum. It had a really good run from about $1.20 up to $2 just recently, but that has since fell off. But if you look at the beginning of the year, this was 22 cents, guys, and it hit almost $5, over $4.60, and it's since cooled off to where it was before that pump, consolidating around the $1.50 and $2 level. But I think Arcblock has a lot of good things coming from it. I made a video a couple weeks ago. I can have it linked at the end of this video for you guys all to see. But the next one is a newer token that a lot of people don't know about. You might be hearing it for the first time here at Freeman Finance and Crypto, and I think it's worth a look, at least doing your research on, and when we look at it, this is Netmind, okay? Netmind AI, Netmind power training, fine-tuning, and interference, the decentralized machine learning and AI platform. This is a similar model to Render, but when we take a look at it, it's a lot smaller, less than $60 million market cap. But look, guys, look, this is what I want to show. Even though it is smaller, it's ranked 445th right now in overall market cap, but the volume is overperforming big time at 276. This is always trending on Uniswap on their top 100. And guys, This tells me that this coin is overperforming the overall AI market, and I'm expecting it to climb these ranks right here, because whenever a coin is overperforming in volume, that just tells me there's a lot of people with their eyeballs on it. And so I would like to see this do a climb similar to what Arcblock did when Arcblock went from this low price down here and then really shot up. If we filter this by market cap, back here, it Arcblock right here was the size of what Netmind is right here, okay, right at 60 million, and it then reached a market cap of almost 500 million. So I think there's a lot of room for Netmind AI to continue to climb. But guys, right now everything is getting beat up and people seem to forget about artificial intelligence. I believe it is going to be one of the leading sectors for the next 10 years, not just in crypto, but in the world. We can see that with how good NVIDIA is doing selling their chips, and the whole world, all these companies are going to artificial intelligence, guys. So let me know, did I miss one? If I did, let me know what it is. If not, let me know what you think about these. And guys, check out Caleb and Brown. It's completely free to sign up. But guys, if you're not a part of the Free Men of Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.